Let's make pancakes. Hello everyone, my name is Ayden. I'm just 5 years old and I'm coming from a beautiful island called Sri Lanka. Let's make pancake today. Are you with me? Let's make pancake. First, let's put some egg. And then let's put some green beans. Then let's put some spin cheese. And now let's put some little bit of salt.
Yes.
Now let's put a little bit of pepper. Now let's blend it. Mommy, can you help me for the blender? Can you hold it? Can I do it?
Yes.
Ooh, I'm going to take gas එක හේට් කරන්න බලවන්න. Put some oil. Oh, ගොඩක් oil වැටුණානේ. Okay, fan එක හොඳට කරව කරන්න. Oh, look at this. Perfect round shape. Take a karakarannatu. Let's dance with me, guys. I can even flip this. Oh, චුට්ටක් වෙරළරනේ. ඩාන් එනවා ඩෝන් එනවනේ. ගණන් ගන්න එපා. Let's dance for a while. Look at my six-pack. Now let's put this to the plate. Other one. Now let's wait for a while and let's dance until it's finished. Wow, look at my pancake. It's good for gym people. It's good for us. I can eat this all. Ta-da! Ta-da!